So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into this brand new video. This video is gonna be a very interesting, beneficial, important and also a very entertaining and also a teachable video because today I am gonna talk about the English language. Yes guys, you listen right. Today in this video I will tell you some steps and also I will give you some advices, and if you just follow my advices and if you practice them, then hey, Kunal, how are you?
Are you? You are Pradeep?
Yes, I am Pradeep.
Yes.
So, yeah, come here, sit. What are you doing here?
No, I am just fishing here.
Okay, I understand. I just didn't notice you.
Yes.
And now sit here. And like I am also just making video this scenario, and also the river is very nice
yes, very
looking.
nice.
That's why. And tell me what's going with you.
Nothing. Yes. Now I'm when I just sleeping in my bed. Then I just thinking. Today is a Sunday. So I just thinking to do some fishing. So
Okay.
I take my net and I just come here.
No, you also know I wanna learn the English language. That's why I always practice, and I'm also
I
just
know. I know.
practicing.
I watch your all videos.
Okay. Now tell about your developments. How you develop your English language nowadays?
Nowadays, I also can think. I also make a video
Yes.
that I think that if you want to learn, if you want to be successful in your life, that English is must be.
Yes, it is very
Yes,
important. Without
yes.
the English language nowadays, we can't do anything.
Yes.
I wanna say to my audience also that every now the thing that surrounded us also, it is also fulfilled by the like many machines, many materials, and all of those materials from where they come. We also just can understand, and all of the materials that we are using nowadays,
Yes.
they also come from the Chinas,
Yes.
the like America, USA, and they use the English language for better communication, and it is very
We can't
important.
stop-
Spread our products in the many another countries with many people, because it is very difficult for us, and without the English it is impossible.
Yes, English is one of the most important thing to survive nowadays.
Yes, it is very important.
Yes, that when we in this time, all of us has some money, lot of money.
Yes.
So one day, like think I will tell a story. One day, one of people go to the like US or another thing.
Mm.
In this time, they didn't know the English language.
No.
So
How they will do communicate? Yes.
and if he needs something, like he was very hungry now.
Mm.
If he needs something, so how he can express his thought?
Yes,
I
it
need
is.
this.
It is
I
very
need this.
important.
I'm very hungry.
And I also just explain my
Yes,
all
yes,
of the videos that English is the only language that helps us to do communication with another country's people, and it is very important. And I will just tell to you that a very easy trick it is
Yes,
that
yes.
stories. I think you also know it. The
Yes,
stories
I
will only help you to develop the English speaking
And
skills.
stories has a lot of words.
Yes.
Yes, yes. In this word, we can use to speak something.
Yes, it is very important.
Yes.
Okay, I just found out a scientific reason that just think for a new beginner, for an English new beginner,
Yes.
a beginner also. The beginning time of the English language, it is very hard.
Yes.
I think you also are now just facing many problems.
Yes, of course.
So when we just start to learn the English language,
Yes.
then we can't just understand the English language properly. We can't also speak anything because our speaking skill is not developed, and we also can't join the words, and also we can't just decorate and create our own sentences. That's why it is very important. And many people they do a very big mistake,
Yes.
that they, in the beginning times they just choose the grammar rules for to learn it.
The
But
grammar is very critical.
yes,
It's very hard.
Yes. So
Yeah.
I also tell you it is very hard. But the beginning time is not the right time to practice the grammar rules. What the grammars? How the grammars helps us? Grammar helps us to understand the rules of English, to understanding where and why we have to join the words, how we have to link. But for to speak, for to join the words, we need words.
Yes.
Otherwise, you can't. And grammar book, grammar rules can't provide out the words and sentences. That's why I always tell to everyone, read the stories. Because a story, when we just will explain a story, then only we can just store the words, store the sentences by that. So now Kunal, just tell to our audience also that how we can explain a story easily.
That is very important thing. First, you have to read the story.
Yes, you have to read the story.
Yes, when you read a story, first you take a short story. When you take a short story, when you take a short story, you just try to read it like 100 times,
Yes,
not
like
10
more of time,
times.
I also find out a
Yes,
best source to find some stories, and also there are all many subscribers, many viewers. They are not reading in classes. They all the past the school, and now they're reading in colleges, and also many subscribers. They are just a worker, like they work in offices. It can be. So I will just tell to everyone, read the moral stories,
yes, yes, more and more.
like the Google also. Google will help you to get the moral
Moral
story.
stories.
You can learn from there all of the moral stories.
Yes,
You can take screenshots and then you can make them xerox paper.
yes.
Yes, and then
Then when you just read it 100 times,
hmm,
try to copy it.
yes, it is
Like
very good.
think how
I
you,
think when we will read the story with focus many times,
yes,
then we also can automatically can copy the story.
like think example,
Hmm.
like when you read a question or answer, like
Hmm.
exam time,
Exam
you
times.
can also can focus that I got 100 marks. So
Yes,
that's why
I
I
have to
can
get.
read. I can read
I
lot
have
of
to
time.
read that.
I
Yes.
have to read a lot of time. So when you read properly, you can copy the thing, copy
Yes,
the story.
like in the exam times
Yes,
also,
yes.
what do? We just take the question and answer book and
We
then
just
we,
read
oh
it.
no, the man is doing like repeatedly,
Yes, yes.
continuously. So it is also like that. Why and how we copy the question and answer. We also copy the question and answer by reading it continuously,
Yes,
repeating,
yes, yes.
and then writing with focus. So this is also simple. For the stories also, just read it.
Yes,
But
yes, yes.
for to learn the English language, we have to do a very important thing. Do you know what?
What?
It is that we have to treat the English like a language, not a
Yes, yes.
subject. Many people they are learning the English language for the subjects, and it is important. But if you want to speak this English language, then treat it like a language. I want to say everyone that treat it like your next or second mother tongue. Yes, it is very important. Then it will, and you also can develop your speaking 100 times. And
So
I also will give you a new trick that I found yesterday. Now, how we learn our mother tongue. Can you tell?
to listening
Yes,
something.
by listening our
Yes,
parents, our elders, and then we try something. So the advice I will give to everyone, that just try to memorize or ask your parents or just try to remember. Just try to imagine how a baby learned their mother tongue. And when you will imagine it, when you will just understand how a baby learned the mother tongue, then so the same thing who learn the English also. What do? We don't ever just touch the grammar rules for to learn our own mother tongue. So why we are just going behind the grammar rules every time for English? If we can learn the normal language like our mother tongue, and our brain also not created well, if then we can understand, if then we can learn our mother tongue, we can speak our mother tongue, then why not now? Why we are just facing problems to learn the English? Our mother tongue and English also are just same.
yes, yes.
So this is thing I will tell to everyone. And
First
now,
of all, I wanna say to you
hmm,
that if you first to decide why you want to learn the English language.
yes.
Yes, if you can just tell
Hmm.
why you can learn the English language, you also can learn the English language
Yes,
easily.
easily, because
Yes,
motivation is very
yes,
important.
yes, yes,
And I think goals also give us a silent motivation,
yes, yes,
like when we set our goals. It can be for our family members.
yes,
Why goals are important? Goals, when we set a goals for to earn money,
yes, yes,
and it can be for our parents, it can be
yes,
for our family members, it can be for us also. Then the money also give us a motivation. Many people think that money is not everything in the world, money is not everything in the world, but I will tell you, nowadays money is the most important thing for survival. So it is very important. The money also give us a motivation. And then
yes. Then you can say that money is everything, but education is everything. Like
yes
thing, as I
yes
say,
yes
if you know the education, money will automatically
yes it
come to
is
you.
very important.
Yes, that
Now,
when you know some rules to use your education
hmm,
thing, like nowadays you also make a video you also upload your video, that this is your education thing, that you also earn money from this way.
Yes, like I am making.
Yeah.
So this thing, there are many ways to earn the money,
Yeah.
like the education, and we will have education.
No one
Then
give you the ideas.
yes, yes.
That's
So
the
it
thing.
is very very important, I
Yes.
think, and it is the thing. So Kunal, I think that it is the time for to end the video.
Yeah.
So thank you for coming and
Now I
joining my
will
deal.
go to the
Okay, okay, you go. Your work is there. So guys, as you can see, we also do the conversation, and conversation are very very important for to develop our English language also. As I tell in my video, that do conversation with your friends, it can be with the family members, it can be, and then automatically you can store, you can just make new sentences. So guys, bye bye. I will come back with another video with a new topic. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you for listening our conversation. Bye bye. Hey Kunal, wait, wait. There is a fish. Let's come on. Oh my god.